Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a very exciting video. Today I am filming a little unboxing of a super special piece that I recently purchased. I am going to drop a link below to my New York vlog as well as what I bought in New York. They are two videos that I've uploaded that if you're not interested in like luxury or designer handbags or any of that kind of thing, which I totally get, then you can go and watch those videos. There's something a little bit different. That's why I decided to split them up, because I know some people are not into this style of video. Recently did, well not recently, but I have done a YSL unboxing of a handbag that I purchased, and some of you really enjoyed it. I know for some of you, you like that style of video. It is super hit and miss. It's really not some people's cup of tea, which is absolutely fine, but don't feel the need to watch if you don't enjoy it, because you'll just get yourself annoyed. So today I am filming my Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a bag that I am so excited to share with you all, and to any handbag lovers out there, I think you guys are really gonna like it. And yeah, I'm just excited to get into it and to start being able to use it. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go down there, hit subscribe, turn the bell on if you want to be notified, and also please go check me out on Instagram. My name is Georgiamayxoxo. I have such a range of content on here. I have like loads of like high street hauls and things like that, but every now and again I'll sprinkle in a little kind of designer piece or like a little unboxing, just because that's kind of the style I wear. Like I wear a lot of Zara, I wear a lot of PLT, all of that sort of stuff, but a lot of my handbags, I kind of like to spoil myself a little bit and treat myself. It's December, it's Christmas, life's too short, you know. That's just kind of how I live my life, and I feel very lucky and blessed that I'm able to purchase such lovely things. So yes, I hope you are excited to get into this with me, and that is enough of me just babbling on about absolute nonsense. Let's get straight into the video. Guys, so this is the little bag that it comes in. I believe this is like part of their new collection. They're doing all this kind of like rebranding. It's a really cool kind of holographic, not holographic, sorry, like multicolored designed bag. So that's what it came in. I do keep all of the box and the bag and all of that stuff just because I like to keep it all if ever I wanted to sell anything, or I just like to have it all. I don't know why, I'm one of those people, but you know. So this is how it came. Now I did purchase this bag in Heathrow Terminal 5 for any of you that are wondering, and the price that I got this bag at was £1,325, which is a little bit better obviously than the price that you would get in store. I'm going to leave a link below to this bag. I think it's out of stock on the website, which I really didn't know when I bought it that it was out of stock on the website, which makes me even happier that I managed to get my hands on it. But yeah, I'll do my best to link it below. I know in the US I did go on a website just now, and this retailed for $2,700, which is so much more than buying it in England. So yeah, I'm going to do my best to leave links below if you are interested in the bag. But I'm not sure if it's in stock at the moment, so I'm sorry about that. Although sometimes Louis say that, and then you can go into the store and speak to somebody and they can get hold of it for you. They like have a little system that shows where else the bag is elsewhere in the UK or your area, like London or whatever. So yeah, you can sometimes get your hands on it, even if it's showing up out of stock. Anyway, this is the little box that it comes in. So it's one of these orange kind of boxes that has the little slidey thing that you pull out here. So we're gonna slide it out like so, and then it comes in this little dust bag like this, which obviously I will be keeping. You can either store them like this, or you can use this to kind of stuff the bag when you're not using it. So this is what the bag looks like. How cute! Super cute. So I want to get the name of this correct. This bag is called the, oh, I'm gonna literally butcher this name, I think. This bag is called the Soufflon. I really don't think I'm saying that right. Like I said, I will leave a link to it below. Monogram bag. So this is what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. So first of all, I'm going to take this off because that's how it was originally looked like before I obviously popped the longer strap on. It looks like this. Has this little kind of top handle design, and then this little like luggage tag type thing here. Sorry for my awful fake tan on my hands. I'm really sorry, by the way, if you've just noticed that. I am going to wash this off in a minute, which you can obviously get your initials like hot stamped onto this if that's something that you want to do. The lady told me that in store, that that's something that I can have done if I want it done. And this comes off as well, so if you want to like have it on or off, it's totally up to you. It looks like this, has these super cute little handles. This is it on the back. I absolutely love it. I think it's a really lovely size, and if you did want to carry it around like this, you totally can. I for one am a big fan of the Louis print. Like, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. I really like it. I think it's really classic, goes with a lot in my wardrobe. I wear a lot of like beiges and neutrals and light tones, so this goes so lovely, and I just absolutely love this handbag. So for the lining, that's what I want to share with you. This is really lovely. I don't know how well you guys are able to see, but it has 3 separate compartments. So you have this first compartment, which is like a magnetic kind of opening, and then that's on the other side as well. But then you have this zipper compartment in the middle, and you also have a side pocket on this side. But the lining, as you guys can see, is kind of like this burgundy sort of suede colour. Really lovely, super nice. I love that. See the gold zipper. I just think it's so cute. And then it also comes with this strap. So this is what I really liked about it, is obviously sometimes it's nice to hold your bags like this, especially if you're doing something that's a bit more formal, or if I was using this bag in the evening, or for something that's like really smart and I wanted to be, you know, look a little bit more put together. I probably would leave it like this. But then for day-to-day life, a crossbody strap is so useful for me, and I wear crossbody bags all the time. I also love the size of this bag because you can fit quite a lot in here, which is really nice. So this is the strap that goes across body. It looks like this, and obviously you can adjust this so you can make it, I can make it even shorter if I want and have it more of like a kind of like on my shoulder, or I can make it even longer and have it like a longer crossbody. So this is what it looks like with the strap, and I will show you guys where it actually sits on me. So I hope you can all see me back here. This is where it's sitting on me, so obviously I can make this longer or shorter, but I personally really like this kind of length where it sits. You can obviously have it at the side, you can have it to the front, and then if you wanted, you can wear it on the shoulder, and again you can adjust this and make it even shorter so it would sit higher up, or you can literally just not use that and just use the little top handle, or have it in the crook of your arm like so. I do have a Louis bag of my mum's, which the patina's kind of worn a lot more, so this tends to change colour. For any of you that are wondering, this will sort of age and change colour, which I don't mind, but I do love the colour that it is when you first buy a Louis bag. It's this really lovely like white sort of creamy colour. It's lovely. With time, this here will start to kind of age and turn a slightly darker colour, more of like a tan brown. So that's something to bear in mind if ever you see like a bag like this and it's maybe a little bit more aged on here. It just means it's a little bit older. But I love it so much. I'm being really careful with it, like when to use it. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to go out in the rain with it. I kind of knew I wanted to purchase a bag in December just as a little like treat to myself for the year, and obviously I feel very lucky that I can do that. So I'm so happy about it. You guys are going to see this all over my Instagram. You're going to see me constantly styling it up and wearing it, but I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I'll do my best to drop a link to this handbag below, and if you have any other questions, please let me know below. Also, just quickly for reference, on the bottom it has these little feet, which is really nice. So when you place the bag down, it's sitting on these little feet rather than on the canvas. So yeah, I love it. I'm really happy with it. The girls that served me at the Terminal 5 Louis Vuitton were so nice. The lady that served me was called Danielle, but there was another girl there who was also really nice, and they got me and my sister like a glass of champagne because it's my sister's 21st birthday, and some little perfume samples as well that they popped in the bag, which was really nice of them. So yeah, they were really helpful, really lovely. I think if you have something in mind that you really like, call up the store in advance and see if they can get it in for you, or ask someone at a Louis if they can order it there for you or whatever. It's not a bad idea purchasing it there. But I know with Louis, it is kind of one of those things where a lot of the time it says out of stock online, but then you can go in a store and just see the item sitting there. So it can be slightly frustrating at times, but I love Louis. It's one of my favourite brands. I think they're a classic. I think I'll have this bag in 10 years time and I'll probably still love it, which is kind of what I want to do with a lot of my bags. Like, I don't want to get anything that's too wild that I look back on and think, oh, what was that? So yeah, I'm very, very happy with it, and it's going to be a nice little addition to my winter wardrobe, or my all year long wardrobe. So that is it for my Louis Vuitton unboxing. I hope you did all enjoy it and found it useful or insightful in some way if you're looking into purchasing this bag or a similar one. If you have any questions on this particular bag or my experience, or anything you want to ask me and you feel like maybe I could help you, please feel free to leave a comment below or a question. I will get back to you guys. And I hope you did kind of enjoy this. I know it's not for everyone, but every now and again I want to share these videos with you if I can help you in any way, or advise you, or if you're thinking of buying it and you want to know what it actually looks like or what someone actually thinks of it, or what have you. So yes, I hope you did all enjoy it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this style of video. Not all the time, but every now and again on my channel, just to change things up. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe. Check me out on all my socials, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.